Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we're gonna fix this Galaxy S20 Ultra with no display. And as you can see there, it's still good, but what's that? It looks weird. So just by looking at the condition of this smartphone has been with the owner for quite some time now, and you can just pop off the back cover without any hesitation. And the problem with this smartphone is it has no display. It's just black, and whenever you push the power button, it vibrates. It shows you that the smartphone is on, but it's showing us nothing through the main display. And David is gonna replace the housing with the display, because when you replace the display on these flagship Samsung Galaxy smartphones, they tend to be easier done with the display and housing combo. So you get a new display and a new housing, and at the front it will look nice and brand new, and at the back we'll reuse that pretty amazing robust back cover. So we have removed the back cover with just our fingers. Now we have removed the first layer that covers the battery. We're detaching connections from the daughter board at the bottom to the main board. We're gonna unscrew some screws to release the daughter board with a couple of flex cables. We're also going to remove some covers for the main board and the motherboard. It's made of plastic. We're going to unscrew. There's some couple of them on top. Gonna put that to the side. This is the main board, and we have removed the SIM card tray first so we can release it. SIM card tray will not allow us to pull out the main board, and we have removed with the main board the front camera. We're gonna put the housing on the table for a while. Let's inspect our replacement display unit. We're gonna remove the plastics, and this is the same replacement unit, the same part number. So we just transplant the main board, the SIM card tray, and everything will fit nicely into it. Front camera. We're now also gonna remove the battery from the old housing and some miscellaneous parts like the vibration motor, the fingerprint scanner, the daughter board, and the remaining flex cables if there's any. The overall process just took very quick time, because David is a Samsung Galaxy repair technician, and around 15 minutes or so we have edited this video and we have removed some parts. But if you have a need to fix your Galaxy smartphone, don't hesitate to go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Although you can do this on your own, there's still some parts wherein it's quite complicated, even with proper tools, because you need the proper technique. And of course, if it's your first time, you can have the risk of damaging parts that you don't want to damage, like the cameras, or damage a flex cable, because those parts are more tricky to find replacement parts for. So have a pro technician fix your device like David here. And we're almost done. We're just gonna reverse the process. We have installed the new display with the housing, and all is left for us to do is to put the final pieces of screws and test if the phone is still working, which I suspect will definitely work just fine. So if you have any questions, you can message David through our Facebook page. You can follow us on Instagram, like and share this video. If your friend needs a repair near Sydney CBD, we offer repairs for Samsung devices, iPhones, Apple Watches, and for a very reasonable price. David here has done a good job on this S20 Ultra. This is a relatively old device, but the owner will definitely have a great time using this smartphone for a year or two. Look at that back cover. It shows the history of the smartphone, and this Galaxy smartphone will live on. And look at that. This is the before and after. No differences, but without the display, with the no display issue, is now fixed. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Like and share. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.